All right, let's discuss candidate lists. Candidate lists are really great for people like a recruiter who's reporting to a hiring manager, any role that's similar to that. You're essentially segmenting out your best candidates and adding them to this list so you can give it to somebody else pretty simply. The nice thing is that that individual doesn't even have to be logged into the platform, doesn't have to be a user inside the platform, anything like that. They'll simply see kind of what you see here, right here would be the information about the candidates, their profile, things like that. They can click into the candidate, see their profile. Wouldn't be able to edit it unless they are an admin user or an editor user in the system, but they will be able to at least see everything there. We'll go a little bit more into detail about the ins and outs of the specifics inside of the actual written knowledge base article. But to build your candidate list, I'm going to show you how to here in this video really simply. We're going to go to candidate lists inside of our job post overview. You can see I'm in my service technician post here. Choose candidate lists, go create list, and then you're going to put a name in for the list and just hit submit. Very simple. I've got a few already created here myself. So I'm going to use one of those. And what we're going to do then is choose our candidates, whoever we want to add. We got the candidate action menu that popped out over here. We're going to see candidate list, second from the bottom. Choose add to list. And then we're going to just choose the list we want to add these candidates to. Now keep in mind, the candidate lists are not specific to any one job post. So you can add different candidates from different posts into one specific list, so on and so forth. It's all universal, right? So you can even add these candidates here to multiple lists at once. Again, this is very kind of build your own adventure here, I suppose. And then just hit submit. And now you can see the pop-up candidates have been successfully added to selected lists. All right, so I'll close that. I'll choose candidate lists again. You can see the number on both of these increased a little bit. And all you're going to do is just choose copy there. And you're going to paste that link into an email. You can paste it into a new tab if you'd like to see for yourself what it looks like. But again, it's just a simple layout here of the candidates' information and their overview and their actual profile, what you'll see when you click into their profile. If you have any other further questions, please let us know.